Okay, so today is technically the 27th of June. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. And I decided to kind of check on the kittens and see what all they were doing. And apparently, this is when they just go crazy and are climbing things and eating solid food because they're over there eating Kyla's food. One of them is. That's Mr. Tibbs. Priya was over there earlier. And playing and running around. So I'll just kind of keep the camera on and stand back and let you guys see what all they're doing. Mommy right here. Priya was playing with her earlier. It's pretty cute. Drinking water. Priya. Oh. Priya. Hi, baby. Hello. Diva. Lavani over here in the water. Mr. Tibbs. Kyla just kind of follows me whenever I'm in here. He was playing with this earlier. Maybe he'll start again. There you go. So cute. There's Avani. She's definitely the most timid, I think, out of all of them. She's still sweet and she likes to play and all that good stuff. I don't know if you can hear the scratching at the door, but Loki is definitely trying to get in. These two up here just climbing and exploring. See if we can get them to play down here. You too. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. No, leave it climbing. All these things that go on when I'm in bed normally. Who knew? Look at you. My goodness. Oh my gosh. I didn't even think they could do that yet. Now how she's gonna get down is another story. Oh, there goes Mr. Tibbs. Oh, it's so funny. Oh, she's got the string here. Yeah, let go. Thank you. And of course, Miss Priya back over there. Alright, well I just wanted to get one where they were actually doing stuff rather than just kind of laying there or eating or whatever. So this is so far I've got like 7.5 minutes. But silly little kittens. Silly, silly. And the next installment will be, how will little Miss Diva get down from the kitten post? Dun dun dun.